Hey folks, it's Ben. We wanted to give you an update on our no-spill chicken feeder. Here it is in service. If you saw in the first video, of course, one of these obviously just came off, so that's not cool. But in the first video, we had a 45 here because we weren't entirely convinced that chickens would actually eat out of it. But yeah, they do definitely eat out of it. But one thing my wife noticed is that you do have to train them to eat out of it. And so how you do that is you fill the cone from the outside so that you can see feed on the outside. Then they'll start eating, and of course chickens start to mimic each other, and then they get the whole idea of that's how it's done. So the 45 doesn't work well because it lets feed spill out. So of course we put another 45 on it, and it works just fine. And you can see there's a chicken with its head in right there. That's how they figured out how to eat. So this is our first bag of feed, so I'm going to drop in another bag. So this will be the second whole bag of feed through this thing. And yeah, we got our... Did I even silicone? Did they eat that? Yeah, anyway, so... and you can see the dusty stuff is here for some reason. So. But we've had good success with it. We've completely changed the feeders over to this, and our chickens are well fed, so that's good news. So, there we go. No, you guys can't even out of the top. And now that it's dusty, they pick at the container less, and they know where the feed is. They gotta stick their head down the hole, and away they go. So, if you have any questions, we like it a lot. This is our primary feeder now for the chickens. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you have any comments, leave them. Subscribe to our channel, Homestead, and you guys have a good day.